when I interviewed Whit that day on the phone, like I said, I've dealt with a lot of people in my career. And when I interviewed Whit on the phone that day, there was such a serious connection with his congeniality, with the operations, that I knew, almost like Daniel said, I knew almost immediately that I wanted to do business with this guy, because he really cared about, if you're passionate about what you do, and what you do becomes your hobby, you're going to be really good at it. And I determined right then that Whit was very passionate. Then when I started working with Ryan, that same passion bled over into that. And there's an old saying out there: speed of the leader, the speed is the speed of the followers. Every single individual that I've interacted with at WIT has been that way. So service oriented, and you can't beat service. You cannot beat. If you can have personalities, and you like the personality you're dealing with, but if you can't back that service up with great quality service, all you have is a personality. And but WIT, Ryan, and everyone there, they have such a great personality that I knew it was going to be a success. I knew it was going to take patience. Ryan said, I'd call Ryan, and I said, Ryan, we got to do something. I got some guys here starving on the vine. Jim, you got to be patient. Got to be patient. And it did. Every time he would come through for us. So our working relationship is really personal. It's almost like they're sitting in the next office from us. And it's a great relationship compared to a lot of the times that I've worked with people in California dealing with folks out in Florida. The folks out in Florida were good at what they did, but we were 20 centuries away on the West Coast from the East Coast, and it just didn't work well for us. But this is working out great for us.